Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you accidentally rented a movie or show, don't panic. You may be able to cancel it or get a refund, especially if you haven't started watching it yet. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix accidental rentals on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. But you have to know that refunds are usually possible if you haven't watched the video. The sooner you act, the better your chances. And Amazon reviews refund requests case by case. So act fast after the accidental rental, okay? So first thing, check if you started watching. Open your purchases. See if the video has been played, okay? If not watched, high chance of refund are available. Go to your orders, like log into your Amazon account. Go to your orders, okay, digital orders, and find the rented title. Locate the transactions, okay. Request a refund, like select a rental, click problem with order or refund, and choose a reason, for example, accidental purchase, and submit the request, okay. Contact support if needed, like use Amazon customers support chat or help page, especially if refund option doesn't appear. Okay, wait for confirmation, like refunds are usually processed within a few days. You will receive confirmation via email, okay. Remove payments method, okay, optional safety. This is just an option that you can take into consideration, like prevents further accidental purchases by it. You can also enable purchase pin, like prevents future issues too, like go to Prime Video settings, enable purchase pin, and that blocks accidental rentals. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.